There's something deeply comforting about a space that feels alive, a place where every detail tells a story, not just of beauty, but of purpose. You walk in, and it's more than a kitchen. It's a reflection of mindful living, where design meets intention in the most effortless way. The light pours in gently, dancing across textures that were once something else, now transformed into something extraordinary. Surfaces that carry history, fragments of the past reborn into a bold, elegant centerpiece. It reminds you that nothing is ever truly wasted, only waiting to become something more meaningful. You pause for a moment, taking it all in. The calm, the balance, the quiet luxury that doesn't need to shout. It's not about excess, it's about harmony. Every element feels considered, every detail placed with care, creating a space that feels both grounding and inspiring at the same time. This is where mornings begin with clarity, where ideas flow as freely as the light through the windows, a place where conversations feel warmer, where time slows down just enough for you to truly be present. It's not just about how it looks, it's about how it makes you feel. There's a certain beauty in choosing better, in creating spaces that respect both your lifestyle and the world around you. It's a quiet revolution, one that starts at home, in the choices you make, in the way you shape your surroundings. And somehow, in the middle of it all, you realize luxury isn't just about appearance, it's about intention. It's about creating something that lasts, something that feels right, something that truly belongs. Because in the end, the most beautiful spaces aren't just designed, they're felt. Modern Homes and Gardens.